family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be another decorate with me video. We are going to be tackling the basement. You guys have seen the living room from basically start till finish. You guys have seen the kitchen. You guys have seen a lot of other places, but now we're headed down to the basement because that is where we're going to be spending a lot of our time. You guys know that I have an all white living room and I'd like to keep my furniture white, so we are going to move the party downstairs where we can have more fun and be more comfortable. So I have been waiting to do this for the longest time, but we were waiting for the sectional and the TV, and we have both things, so we're going to go ahead and move on to decorating. So we're going to be setting everything up together today. So this right here is the basement door. I'm going to go ahead and open it. This is the main room of the basement. It's a pretty big room. This is the other side of the main room. And like I said, y'all, it's pretty big. The lighting is really good. So yeah, we're gonna spend a lot of time in here. You guys saw in the last video that Nanny did get his TV and put it up. And then on this side, this is actually another room all by itself, but this has just been storage for everything we have. So this is a pretty good functional space, but let me show you guys a little bit. I'm probably not going to be able to show you much because it is basically filled up with stuff. But yeah, this is our brand new sectional. These pieces go with this. This is the rug we're going to be using. Yeah, it's just completely filled with stuff and I can't really show you guys much. So first thing first, we're just going to go ahead and vacuum this entire area and we'll go ahead and get started with setting everything else up. The floors are clean. Now we're ready to set up. So this is what we have so far. We just have the sectional there. Ignore the vacuum back there, but we just have the sectional there. Nothing super big, but it just fits the space perfectly. So the rug is gray in like an off-whitish color, which goes with the couch perfectly because it is gray, and that is the theme we're trying to go for. So now we're just gonna go ahead and move on to that side of the room. can see, the structure is already done. That's Nadia watching her show. This is how she helps y'all. She is of no help whatsoever. Anyways, the structure of everything is already done. We have the TV up. We have the shelves right there. We have that little shelf down there. That's a fireplace, and we're going to turn that on a little later. And then right next to it is a wine carrier, wine cooler slash refrigerator. So we just wanted to put that down here for refreshments and stuff. So then on this side, we already have the sectional going. We have the rug. So all I really need to do now is accessorize. I have a few pieces back there. As you can see, the space has opened up a little better. So I have a few pieces back there that I'm going to be using over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab some of those things and start setting them up. Family, this is what this area looks like. It's nice and simple. I just have a few things going on here. I have a vase there. I have a picture of Nandy and I have a candle there. That's a Christmas candle, but ignore that. And then up here, I just have more knickknacks. Up here, I have another candle and a picture of Nadia from Christmas. That's her first Christmas. And then up here, I just have a jar with flour and then another vase. Over here, we have the TV. Of course, you guys have seen that. I just have this simple vase here, and then down here I have a few more knickknacks. Like I said, this is a Bible that is just a gift box. So this used to be upstairs, but we just went ahead and put it down here. And this is a picture of me from when I graduated my LPN program in 2013. So that's what that area looks like. Like I said, that is a wine cooler slash wine carrier. So I'm just going to do a few things there, and I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. So now we're just going to go ahead and move on to accessorizing this area. Nadia will not drink her juice without a pillow. She'll always find a pillow. Right, Mama? Drink your juice. There you go. Go ahead and lay down. Alright family, so this is the little wine area I was telling you guys about. I'm just going to go ahead and set a little bar area here just because we don't have an actual bar area. And I do like to collect wine even though I'm not a heavy wine drinker, and Nandy doesn't drink at all. So this bottom area is for like water or other refreshments. So you can put water, you can put pop, juice, or any kind of drinks you would like. And then the top part here, this part is where your wine goes. So it has 3 different levels. So this is the first one, and this is the second one, and the third one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it up with my wine. I did get my box of wine, and this is what it is, but I made a mistake and I opened it upside down. So all the wine are turned upside down. As you can see, one of them is already gone, but no worries, I have it right here. I was just looking at it earlier. But yeah, these are what they look like. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it to my wine cooler and then set up that little area as a bar area. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this back here. is what it looks like. I was able to fill it up with 11 wine, so I'm just going to go ahead and push these back. So this is the rest of them. I still have a few more left here, so I'm just going to go ahead and store these somewhere else. So then for the top here, I'm just going to go ahead and do a cute little setup as a wine bar. So I have this cute little tray. It's for wine specifically. As you can see, the wine's there. I'm just going to go ahead and set it right here. I have these two little wine glasses. I'm going to go ahead and set them on either side of the tray. And then this is actually one of my biggest wine. So this is perfect for my display because the rest of them are a little smaller. So let me show you guys. So this versus this. So this is clearly bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one as a display. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to use this little wine opener. I'm going to set that right here so that when we need it, we'll find it. But yeah, this is what this little bar area looks like. So family, this is the transformation of that area. It's nice and simple with just a few little knickknacks, I guess. On that wall, we just wanted to keep it clean and simple because that is kind of the hallway. So on this side, I have that little mirrored table. It's a small little table, but it just holds that cute little vase. And then I have a throw blanket there and just a few pillows. And then down here, we have that nice rug. I love the patterns in the rug. I've actually had this rug for the longest time. It was in my very first apartment, and then it went to our second apartment with Nady and I, and now it's down in our basement. That just goes to show that when you take really good care of your items, you can have them for a very long time. Same things with these little glass tables. I've had them for the longest time as well. And then over here, I just have another little throw blanket because it is the basement and it can get a little cold. And then a few pillows there and, you know, the glass table right there that I was telling you about. So there's two of them. There's one right there and then another one right there. Because that is the entryway to the basement, I decided to keep the wall and the table plain and simple just because I don't want people coming downstairs and bumping into things, and I don't want it to be crowded down here. So I just have that little broom decor thing in that corner. That is the first thing you see when you open up the door to the basement. It's really nice, and I just wanted to put that there. And then over here, I have that mirror. The mirror is nice and simple. It's not crazy, but it also gives the illusion of more space. So this is another angle. And yeah, guys, this space turned out so good. I am so proud and so impressed. And then what we're gonna do here is, now that this area is opened up, we're just gonna go ahead and set that area up real quick. Have this full-length mirror here just to open up the space a little more and bring in some light. And then over here we just have a little sitting area, and then on this side we just have Nady's computer desk. This very nice, very comfortable computer chair. I love this thing. It's comfortable, it reclines, it goes up and down, it just does all the fancy stuff. And then Nady does like 2 monitors because of his job. I don't know what it is with the monitors, but he does like to have 2 monitors, so that's why we have those there. And then there's just some storage on the side here. He has his printer down there, his that's the actual computer, and some IP stuff, and his favorite candle, which is almost out, and then a flashlight down here in case the power ever goes out. So that is what this area is looking like. This door over here leads to like a utility room or something, and that door leads to the storage room of the basement.